In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Revolut Business. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Revolut. Head to the official Revolut website and navigate to the business section. When you're there, select Create Account to start your application. Early on, you'll be asked to choose your country. Make sure Revolut supports both your country and your type of business. If you're unsure, check their coverage information before proceeding. Then click Continue. Next, choose your legal business type, such as a registered company or a sole trader. Pick the option that matches your official registration and click Continue. Enter a business email address you can access right away, then Continue. Go to your inbox, open the message from Revolut, and authorize the login or confirmation. Once that's done, return to the sign-up flow. You'll now enter your phone number. Select the correct country code first, then type your number carefully. Click Continue and enter the verification code sent by SMS. Create a strong password you won't reuse elsewhere, and continue. Provide your date of birth as it appears on your official documents, then continue. Enter your residential address. Use your real current address rather than a PO box, and continue. Search for your business's exact legal name. Select it from the results if it appears, and continue. You'll be asked for key business details. Enter your legal business name, your company's house registration number if applicable, and your date of incorporation. Use your official registration documents to avoid typos, then continue. Next, add your business address details, street address, city, and postcode. Ensure these match your registration records where required and click Continue. Now it's time to verify your identity. Have an acceptable ID ready, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Depending on what Revolut supports in your country, click Continue, select the ID you'll use, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be prompted to start a short video recording for liveness verification. Find good lighting, hold your document steady, and follow the prompts slowly so everything is clear. After you submit your verification, Revolut will review your information. This can be quick, but it may take a bit longer depending on your documents. Once approved, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard, where your account is ready to set up and use. From here, you can explore features, but the sign-up process is complete. That's it. Your Revolut Business application is done.